In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, what are the differences between a misdemeanor and felony case? When it all boils down to is how much trouble that a person is going to be in. How severe or how serious is the crime in which they are alleged to have committed? And misdemeanors are going to be lower level offenses. There are 4 different groups of misdemeanors. And each one of those different groups or classifications equates to a specific punishment. For example, a Class A misdemeanor, the person can face anywhere from 0 all the way up to a year in county jail. A Class B misdemeanor, the person can face anywhere from 0 to 6 months in county jail. And a Class C misdemeanor, a person can face 0 to 30 days in jail. And then lastly, there is unclassified misdemeanors, which are all a ad hoc punishment range, depending on the law in which you violated. Now, when you put aside misdemeanors or the less serious crimes and you move to felonies, the state has divided those up into 2 different groups. You have drug felonies and you have non-drug felonies. Obviously, drug felonies have to do with drugs. There are 5 different severity levels when it comes to drug crimes. And each one of those, before you can determine how much trouble a person is, you're going to have to know a couple of things. Obviously, what severity level are they charged with, 1 through 5, 1 being the most severe and 5 being the least severe, and then their criminal history. There are very wide ranges of punishments based on those 2 things. When you move aside the drug felonies, you can go to the non-drug felonies. These are obviously crimes that are not associated with drugs. They rank those in severity levels 1 through 10, 1 being the most severe, 10 being the least severe. And similar to drug felonies, you're going to have to know what severity level of crime the person is charged with, and you're going to have to know the person's criminal history or criminal history score. There are very wide ranges of punishments, from 5 months all the way up to 200 plus months of in custody time a person can be facing based on those 2 things, the severity level and their criminal history. If you are charged with any type of crime in Kansas, whether it be a misdemeanor or a serious felony, you need to sit down with a competent criminal defense lawyer who has experience in the jurisdiction in which your case is charged. If you have any questions about any of the things I discussed in this video, feel free to contact my office.